Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the LLMFit tool. So this tool is very useful and you can use this tool to find out which LLM models will work on your machine. So hundreds of LLM models and providers, one command to find what runs on your hardware. This is a terminal tool that right sizes the LLM model to your system RAM, CPU and GPU, detects your hardware, scores each model across quality, speed, fit and context dimensions and tell you which one will actually run well on your machine. So check this demo. So check this animation and it is loading all the models and showing which will run in the system. RTX 4060 and it is saying that these models will work and these models will not work. So let's see how we can install it. On Ubuntu we can just copy this command and run in the Ubuntu, and in no time this tool will be installed. Done. Run LLMFit to get started. So run this tool and you will see the nice GUI. So my GPU is NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 15.9 GB or 16 GB, and Linux is WSL Windows system for Linux. So I am using Ubuntu, and you can see the CPU is 12th gen Intel Core i7 12600K 20 cores. RAM is 14 GB available and 15 GB total. So this is the model, and to search press slash and when 5. So these all models will work on my machine, and this red one will not work on my machine. So it is saying that the fit is perfect and it is Queen 3 coder 13 billion A, parse is 15.6 billion and score is 92, and it is going to generate 289 token in my machine. And this is what is quantization is 4 K M, and mode is GPU. Memory it will use 50%. GTX is 2262K and date was this 2025-08, and it perfect fits on my machine, and this is a coding model. So it also tells which model is coding, then press enter. So it is giving more details. Model is model loaded into VRAM, and uh, estimated token is 289.1 token, and model name you can is NVFP4 Quen 3 coder 30 billion A3 instruct FP4. So this is giving the model details, and this way you should be able to find the which model will run on your computer. So this tool is very good, and you should use this tool to find out whether the model will run or not on your computer. So check this tool and only downloads the model if it runs on your computer. So this is a very nice tool, and I think you should get started with it. And this tool is only available for Linux systems, and this is not available for Windows. So this is one drawback. and to quit just press escape, and this is the different key combination options. So this is a nice to have tool on your machine, and so that you should be able to check the models which will be running on your computer. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.